Welcome to Oslo, the capital city of Norway. From its stunning natural beauty to its vibrant culture and rich history, Oslo is truly a destination like no other. In this video, we'll explore some of the amazing things that make Oslo a must-visit destination. Oslo is surrounded by some of the most breathtaking natural landscapes in the world. From the majestic Oslofjord to the rolling hills and forests that surround the city, Oslo is a nature lover's paradise. Take a hike or bike ride in the city's many parks, explore the nearby islands or go skiing in the winter. Oslo has something to offer for everyone. But the natural beauty of Oslo isn't limited to just its surroundings. The city itself is a masterpiece of Scandinavian architecture and design. From the striking Oslo Opera House to the stunning barcode skyscrapers, Oslo is a city that's both beautiful and modern. Oslo is a city steeped in history and culture. From the famous Viking ship museum to the Akershus fortress, Oslo has a rich history that's just waiting to be explored. Take a stroll through the city's many museums and galleries, or explore the streets of Oslo's historic neighborhoods to get a sense of the city's fascinating past. One of the most famous landmarks in Oslo is the Royal Palace, which has been the home of the Norwegian royal family since 1849. Visitors can take a tour of the palace and see its many impressive rooms and gardens. Oslo is a city that's alive with culture and creativity. Whether you're into music, art, or theater, Oslo has something to offer. Take in a show at the famous Oslo Opera House, visit one of the city's many art galleries, or catch a live music performance in one of Oslo's trendy neighborhoods. Oslo's cultural scene is as diverse as it is exciting. One of the most popular events in Oslo is the annual Nobel Peace Prize ceremony, which takes place every December at Oslo City Hall. Visitors can also visit the Nobel Peace Center, which features exhibits and information about the Nobel Peace Prize and its winners. Oslo is home to some of the most delicious cuisine in the world. From traditional Norwegian dishes like lutefisk and reindeer to international cuisine that's sure to delight your taste buds, Oslo has something for everyone. Sample some fresh seafood from the Oslofjord or try one of the city's many Michelin-starred restaurants for an unforgettable dining experience. As you can see, Oslo is a city that has something to offer for everyone. Whether you're looking to explore its stunning natural beauty, dive into its rich history and culture, or simply indulge in some delicious cuisine, Oslo is the perfect destination. So why not start planning your trip to Oslo today?